What's the meaning of corduroy? Corduroy. Corduroy.
Corduroy. Corduroy. Corduroy is a type of fabric that is typically made from cotton and characterized by raised parallel cords or ridges. The cords are usually arranged in vertical rows, although diagonal and other patterns are also possible. Corduroy fabric is soft, warm, and durable, making it a popular choice for clothing such as pants, jackets, and shirts. It also comes in a variety of colors and styles, making it suitable for both casual and formal wear. Overall, corduroy is a versatile and timeless fabric that has remained popular for generations.